All right, here we go. These are the congruent triangle type stuff. So basically, you've got your five choices. I'm going to go over here and write them down real quick. You have either side angle side, which is basically when you have two sides with an angle between them. You have angle side angle, which is two angles with the side in between them. You have angle angle side, which basically means when I have two angles and the side is not between them. You have side, 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 which means I know, hey, all three sides are matched. And then you have the hypotenuse leg, which again, just because it has a right angle, you got a hypotenuse and a leg. Just because you have a right angle does not mean that's it. Last but not least, if you have the dreaded side-side angle, or as I've been saying, the angle side-side, no buts. All right, that if you have anything that looks like this, well, that's a right triangle. Right triangle's not going to. If you have anything that looks like this, I have an angle, but then a side and a side. I have two sides with an angle on the outside. No buts. You cannot have that one. Okay, so those are the rules for that. The other thing that I want to mention is we are going to only mark what they tell us. Only mark what they tell us. Don't just say, hey, these look right, so I'm going to do that. Kind of like these look like they match. No, don't make that assumption. Or these look like they're the same. Don't make that assumption. Only do what they tell you. Okay? And then once we've done that, we'll go to the next step. So first things first, they say ST is congruent to SR. So ST is right here. That's ST, SR. Those two lines are the same. And angle 3 and angle 4 are right angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are both right angles. And people keep asking me, does it matter which one's bigger? It's like, no, it doesn't matter. I'm just distinguishing. If you want to write it like this, that's fine too. Who cares? They're both right angles. Okay. Now you're looking for. You've only got two pieces of information. I've got these ones and I've got those ones. I need three pieces. So we start looking for shared sides. Do they share anything? We're looking for vertical angles. Vertical angles. All right. Are there any vertical angles or alternate interior angles? Okay. That's the parallel line thing. All right. Well, this one, they share a side. So I have a side, and an angle. Now the side-side angle doesn't work, but this is a right angle, so I really have a hypotenuse leg. Hypotenuse of the leg. So H, L. All right, let's keep rolling. That's 6, 7. All right, given NOA is congruent to ELN. So NOE, remember, go with if they give you an angle, go with the middle letter. Give you an angle, go with the middle letter. So NOE, that's this one, is congruent with ELN. ELN, that's, nope, that is this one. All right, they gave us that. Now we have to go with these ones. Is there anything they share? Okay, they share this one. Are there any vertical angles? No, there's no vertical angles. Remember, vertical angles is when you got stuff that looks like this. Two triangles and it's congruent like that. But we have parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. That's your Z. That's this guy right here. So I have alternate interior angles. Okay, they're in the nooks of that Z. If you've got parallel lines, you've got alternate interior angles. So I've got two angles and a side. And the side is not between them. So it's angle, angle, side. Two angles with a side on the outside. That would be that one. Cool. All right, let's keep rolling. Number eight. All right, so just start marking. ET bisects RES. Now I still have a lot of people that say RES, so therefore I can mark this one and this one. Pardon me. No, you cannot. It bisects an angle, so you can only mark the angles. Okay. This tells me that RE equals RS. So yeah, we could mark this one, but not because of this, because of that. All right, so we got two pieces of information. We've got the sides and we've got the angles. So here we have a shared side. So we have a side and a side with an angle between. So that's a side angle side. Right. Remember the side angle side is okay, but two sides with an angle on the outside, not okay. Last but not least, SA is perpendicular to TR. Perpendicular means we have 90-degree angles, only that you have 90-degree angles. So SA is perpendicular to that. That not only tells me that I have right angles right here. It does not tell me this. Okay, that's all that tells me. SA bisects TSR. So TSR, it's bisecting an angle, so I have congruent angles. And then start looking for your other things. We have a shared side right there. So that's enough. I have an angle and an angle with a side between. So that is angle, side, angle. Cool. How long is the video? 5 minutes. That's a good pausing point.